Starting a website has many benefits for your company. The website serves as the representation of your business on the World Wide Web. But for business owners, it's difficult for us to understand things about the process of website development. If you are looking for a simple guide that can teach you how to start a website for your small business, this video will help you understand the technical terminology simplified into layman's terms. What is the benefit of having a website for small businesses? Having a website is a good form of advertisement for your products and services. It's like promoting them 24/7. If you have a good search engine optimization on your website, it can gain a pretty huge volume of organic traffic all around the world, and this can convert into sales for your business. When a business has a website and online presence on the internet, it boosts the authority of your business to your clients. It gives them safety and assurance that your business is legitimate and serious in doing business. First, let's begin by defining each technical term so that you as the business owner understand what these terms are all about. 1. Website. The entire website is composed of web pages, images, audio, etc. that are hosted in the web server by a web hosting company. Programmers build them using different programming languages. 2. Domain name. The domain name is your address on the internet. This is the name you type in the browser address bar to go to a website. To give you an example, our website domain name is www.shopify.com. There are different type of domain name extensions such as .com, .ph, .comph, .org and many more. Some domain extensions are reserved for the government or branch of the military and cannot be used by businesses or any private person. If you are planning to buy a .ph domain, you should expect that it costs much higher than the .com domain. 3. Web hosting. Web hosting means where your website files resides or is being served. Typically, you can purchase web hosting plans from different web hosting companies such as Amazon Web Services, GoDaddy, Bluehost, and Namecheap. Each of these companies has different hosting plans based on the budget of their client. 4. Web server. Web servers are composed of different stacks of technology. Typically, the web server is either Apache or Internet Information Service, IIS. A database is being used to save data or content of websites such as the famous MySQL or the open-source MariaDB. While PHP is the scripting language used to interact with web pages and databases to save input from the client and perform functionality in web pages. The web server also refers to the specs of the computer used in serving your website. The higher the specs, the faster your website will be served and the higher the number of visitors it can serve. But keep in mind that the higher the specs of your web server, the higher the cost will be. So it is important to ask what is the right specs necessary and just enough based on the number of your client. 5. Web hosting plan. Amazon Web Services, GoDaddy, Namecheap, and InterServer offer different web hosting plans. This is what it looks like. There are two common types of web hosting plans. Shared and dedicated. Shared hosting is good for small businesses because it's cheaper and can cater to the small volume of your client. But if your client grows or you are serving a web application that helps to simplify the process of your business, it might be necessary to upgrade your web hosting plan to a dedicated server. What is the initial cost of having a website in your business? Although this variable comes into several factors, such as the complexity of the functionality of the website. The more complex the functions and features of your website, the longer it takes for the developer to build it. The development cost will become higher compared to a basic static website. Another cost will be on web hosting and the domain name you will purchase. We already mentioned above that .ph domain are more expensive than the .com domain. This is because the localized domain is favored by search engines to users who are browsing in your country. In summary, having a website in your business is an effective marketing strategy and can boost your product or service online 24/7. Nowadays, websites can be built even without technical knowledge. There are website creation services or tools that enable you to launch your website in a matter of minutes. There is an online website builder like Wix, Squarespace, and WordPress that is easy to use tools to build your company website. But if you are planning to have a website that has customer service or complex functionality, it is better to let the expert build it for you. When it comes to cost, there is a pretty investment you need in order to build a website for your small business, by having a good website and expert people to build it for you, your business will reap its full benefits. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.